thank you for coming and sharing your time with us. And this will definitely help to guide the students who are facing a lot of issues during this pandemic. So there's a set of questions which I think you'll answer, and that will be beneficial for all the students who are facing a lot of issue during because of this pandemic, and according to their career and what career options and how they can utilize this time. So my first question to you is, that you hold a very key position in your educational institute and throughout your
Yeah,
professional career. What do you think? What are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
yeah. Thank you very much, Ashish.
Yeah.
I just want to say that my dedication towards my profession, love towards my profession, as I belongs to pharmaceutical sciences field, my love, my enthu towards this field is one of the factor, as well as my parental background also. I have some interest in this field of pharmaceutical sciences. These all factors makes me love my field very much.
Got it. Very good, sir. Because being in the pharmaceutical industry right now, I think that is the biggest industry we need at this time of pandemic, so
Exactly.
that people do the research and get the vaccine as soon as possible. So how do you
Yes.
strategize about the key program and plans for marketing and administration for your institution?
I do believe that we should, time to time, we hold together meeting with the management,
Okay.
and we discuss various ideas and issues also, that how we can grow better, how we can perform better. Time to time, meetings are there, and in that meeting we often discuss that we can use some promotional schemes, as well as some promotional platforms, social medias, and all other those things, so that we could express us better in the market.
Good, sir. You are more focusing on the digital platforms, and that is good because right now, most of the market is on the digital modes for anything or any kind of communication. Right now we are seeing that education and system in India and foreign countries are structured very differently. So, in your
Yeah.
experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here in your institute or university rather than a foreign university or school?
Yeah. We at Sagar Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, we believe that practical approach is much better than theoretical approach.
Yeah,
As we are in pharmacy,
yeah,
pharmacy means drugs. Pharmacy means dosage forms, or we can say that, suppose for example, tablets. Tablet is very easy to study, but until unless you go through the practical approach,
yeah.
it is very difficult for you to realize the problems, the various factors that affect the production of the tablet, the machinery that involves in that, the various tests that tablet has to pass through to be appear in the market or in the medical store.
Yeah.
So our focus totally is on practical approach, and that's why we have divided our classes in two parts: equal practical and equal theory. And
Okay.
the focus is again on practical only, that make us stood very different among all the institutes.
Great. So that is very good. If someone is dealing in pharmaceutical, that if they doesn't have any practical knowledge, they will definitely face the issues.
Exactly.
So, what do you think, sir? The best, if the curriculum of your college ensures the best practice for among the industry, is it the same thing that practical and
Yeah,
theoretical knowledge?
the curriculum which we have designed, it covers almost all the aspect of health sciences and pharmaceutical sciences as well, because we do have subjects such as allopathic, homeopathic, herbal, all the areas that covered the health aspect. We allow them to be get studied in our institute, whether it is pharmaceutical sciences, pharmaceutics, medicinal chemistry, whether it is pharmacology related to the human anatomy and physiology, whether it is pharmaceutical microbiology or biotechnology, which is again very important nowadays, as we are going to hear everywhere the vaccines, vaccines, and vaccines.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we do cover all these subjects, and our prime focus is on to make students aware of all the subjects practically very well.
Right. So that they can have a knowledge of every field, so that they don't lag behind in any of these things.
Exactly.
So, there is a different race among every students in that how your about every university. So that how your university could be more welcoming to the students of different race or any economic backgrounds.
Yeah, our institute is open for all the students. We
Great.
welcome all the students, whether any race or any background. As far as economic background is concerned, we do have various schemes, scholarship schemes available to help the students financially, and schemes such as tuition fee waiver or economic weaker section society schemes, and number of other scholarship schemes for better meritorious students are there, and which help them continuously to get learned throughout their tenure.
Great, sir. This is a great initiative. I think that you are providing education without looking any other thing. That I think that is the most important thing in terms of education. So, sir, the next question is that what do you think that the roles and responsibility of the university and the students who are there in the university?
Our main goal is to make student learn in every aspect, as I have discussed earlier also.
Yeah.
Because practical approach is very must. Until unless student learn how to dispense a drug,
Yeah.
what is the label, what the label on the medicine indicates, what is the importance of the green line, what is the importance of the red line, what is the expiry dating, what is the manufacturing dating. Until unless he is not going to perform better or at the platform which we need. So our prime focus is to make them practically strong as per the market needs.
Great. So this is a very good thought that they should have an in-depth knowledge of how to use, because drug industry is too critical. If they do anything wrong, it could lead to misuse. But if they know everything well, I don't think there would be any issues. Great, sir. So the next question is that what do you think that the university's top priority is over the next 10 years?
Universities or institutes' upcoming priority is the NAC accreditation, the national level accreditation, which is ranked top among all. That is our priority, and we want that accreditation so that we can utilize further more government schemes for the betterment or upliftment of the society as well as our students also. And at the same time, we do believe that we can perform much better if we open more specializations in pharmacy.
Yeah.
Right now, we are having pharmaceutics, pharmacognosy, pharmacology, and quality assurance with us. And we are interested further in opening other branches as well, such as pharmaceutical jurisprudence, bioanalytical techniques, and many more other M-Pharma specializations.
Great, sir. So that they can learn everything at one place rather than searching for
Exactly.
many other things. Yes, sir. So, what do you think that's anything about your college or university that student doesn't know and you want them to know about the college or university?
Our institute, Sagar Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, is known for its teaching quality. The teaching quality which we give is top class, and the students, when they came here, I think they may be from a weaker economic section, or they may be from Hindi medium also, few of the students, but they acquainted so well over here with our teachers, the quality of education we provide, that after completing their graduation or post graduation, they are very well placed not only in India but abroad also.
Great, so that they can even show that their talents even in the country as well as in abroad. That's a great thing. So then my next question for you is that what do you think that what are the greatest strengths of your college till now? What you observed apart from others?
Exactly. I again want to state that the greatest strength of my institute is the quality of teaching we provide. The teaching, whether it is theoretical or it's practical, the students are very much involved with their concerned teachers, and the teachers are very well designed, you can say, to understand their needs of the students. We have a separate cell at our end that is called as teacher guardianship cell, where the teacher took care of the students at individual level, and that's why we are so different.
Great, sir. The teachers are teaching as well as counseling the students. That a great help, which I don't think is available for many of the students and which they are looking for, because counseling is the one who which gives them a backbone support in their career. It's great, sir. It's great to know that. So I have last two questions for you. That any suggestions? What do you think for the current youth or the students or the aspiring students?
I want to suggest the coming youth that they have to get involved in the subject very, point to point. They have to get involved in the subject. There is no scope nowadays to leave something. They have to leave no stone unturned to get the knowledge of that subject. Until unless they are specialized in that particular field, they are not going to stand different from others. So they have to show dedication and commitment toward the work or the study what they are doing.
Okay. Great, sir. Great. This is great. So, my last question to you is that how do you tend to establish a healthy relation and environment at your college?
We at Sagar Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences do believe that working together makes environment much healthier. So we often have get together programs as well as other co-curricular activities also. We have together various outdoor sessions also, and we have together with sports also, so that together bind us very well and make us to work and move ahead together.
This is good, sir, that the student doesn't focus even on the studies, but they can also manage them in the extracurricular activities to make them more energetic and more involved. So I think this is
Exactly.
the last question. This is my personal question that during this COVID time, many of the students are how they can utilize this time and what you think they should do because it's the first time we are facing a pandemic like this.
See, in current pandemic scenario, we at Sagar Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences have successfully launched a very good platform of online classes for the students. We have a regular timetable for that, and for the last 2 months, we are continuously taking the classes of the students online and solving their query on personal level also. We have our demo practicals get recorded and shared on various channels such as YouTube, where students get acquainted to that channel, and in case of any problem, they can call the concert teacher anytime.
Okay, great, sir. This is a great initiative. I think that this, you didn't allow the time to be wasted and utilized at the same time. I think I'm done from my side. Thanks for your time, sir, that you gave us your precious time and even your thoughts. And I hope will definitely help the students who are facing a lot of issues during this pandemic. This is the first time we are facing this, and leaders like you and giving your thoughts on this will definitely give the boost to them that they don't lose any hope or something like that. And I think that's good from my side, and definitely would be meeting you soon as the
Yeah,
pandemic is over.
sure, sure. Nice to talk to you, Ashish.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank
Okay.
you for your time.
Thank you very much.